Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again. And in today's video, I want to talk about the trades that we took this week. Trades that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel. So if you're not inside yet, make sure to check the links in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel. And if you want to become a profitable trader and you need help, you can drop me a private message in Telegram as well. You will find the links in the description down below, okay? So what we did this week, guys, I took a trade on Tuesday. Stop loss got hit. I lost. Then on Friday, yesterday, I saw a beautiful opportunity, so I took my shot, made some money. We end up the week with a profit. Beautiful. Not that big of a week. I think I did let's go over the results real quick. So my account is on $1.2 million, guys. It's a live account, as you can see. So $1.2 million. What we had last week, fellas, we started to trade 1st August this week. Took a loss, and yesterday I took a win. Yeah, the remaining position that I had running for a higher high just got stopped at around break even with a little bit of loss. But we overall made 1.6% this week. It's not a big of a deal, but I am happy about it. It was good. If we go over, last month and this month. I mean, last month I was not really trading a lot because I was visiting my family and I took some time off the charts last month. But combined with this month, we are already up 15%, which is really good. And if we go back to the beginning of the year, or let's go back to December, because this is when I put some money on the account. I just started to trade in January. As you all know, we are up 186% so far. Wow, that's a really good result, guys. We are just in August now, and I'm up 184%. Man, if I can double my money twice this year, that would be amazing. I still have nearly 4 months to go. I think we can do it. I'm pretty sure we can do it. 4 months, and I just have like 15% left, 14% left. I think that's possible. Yeah. So let's get into the charts, fellas. This video is sponsored by AAAFX, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. AAAFX is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they're making an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. Alright, team, so this was Monday's trading session, this is Tuesday's trading session, Wednesday's trading session, Thursday and Friday. Okay. So Monday I didn't took any trades. Monday was a range and I didn't took any trades. Market was building up like a beautiful zone in here, as you can see. And I was pretty much looking for breakout to either one of the sides and then try to trade a reversal. I was really looking for a beautiful long position because I thought, man, we are so close to the most recent high. We are probably going to push above. This is what I thought, because last week I expected the reversal even further down, but then it was just moving up. And then this week it did the exact opposite of what I was thinking was going to happen that week. But that's fine. I still was able to make some money because I was watching, like I was taking a trade on Tuesday, took a loss unfortunately. Then Wednesday and Thursday I was watching the market move, but I didn't took any trades because it was not moving like I wanted to move. So I was just observing the markets. And this is something that you guys really need to understand. We are not making money because we taking a lot of trades, guys. We make money because we choose quality over quantity, guys. You really need to know what you are looking for and then just trade that. Don't try to trade everything because this is not going to work, guys. You need to decide on what you want to trade, what time you want to trade, maybe what day of the week you want to trade, and what are you looking for? What kind of movement are you looking for? What is your edge? Okay, and then just trade that, guys. Otherwise, you're probably not gonna make money in this game. Okay, so let's get into the smaller time frames. Let's see what was happening on the Tuesday where I took this buy in here that you can see over here. So basically we marked up Monday's low, Monday's high, and yeah, before the New York Stock Exchange opens at around 9:30, somewhere in here, New York Stock Exchange open. Yeah, I was just watching the chart before it opens, and as you can see, just before New York Stock Exchange opened, we took out the previous day's low at around 15,000, somewhere in this area, 700, 692, somewhere in here. We took it out, and as you can see, the market broke structure. From the downward structure, we broke it to the upside, so I took my shot. I was like, okay, if this thing wants to fly, it should probably fly now. So I got in, had my stop sitting below at around 15,650, just in case the market comes back a little bit more than that before moving. But yeah, I was not clever enough. Market came down, stopped me out, and I was watching this thing move after that, but it never got near my target, so I'm happy about that trade. I took my shot, stick to my rules, took that loss. It's fine. I'll move on, wait for my next opportunity. Because Tuesday was definitely not my opportunity. I was aiming for Monday's highs. I wanted to see the price even flying even more to nearly 16,000, just before 16,000, big figure number. So Wednesday I was just observing. I mean, guys, if you see pre-New York session, like during Asia and London, if you see big moves, man, I like to just observe these days, because it's, for me, I find it pretty hard to make money on these days. Yeah, the market was just dropping and was not really doing what I wanted to see, so I didn't took any trades. I was watching the chart, I was watching it go down, but I was really looking for buy opportunities this week, and I didn't got anything that was looking promising to me, so I was just watching, didn't took a trade. Then we are on Thursday, kind of like the same thing, guys. I was just watching this chart, I was seeing it going up and down, was not really interested in any trading opportunity yesterday. But yeah, on Friday, I think yesterday was NFP. We had a big news event, and probably that's why Thursday and Wednesday especially were moving so unpredictable and weird in my eyes. So most of the time it's probably because this big news event is on Friday, and then the previous days, 1 or 2 days, the market's doing random shit. I don't like to trade these days, but I was watching NFP. I was seeing how this thing is moving, and I saw what they did. I mean, at around 9:30, we broke above this day's high. We broke above the London session's high. Then the market came all the way back, because, I mean, look, a lot of buyers got involved in here. A lot of breakout traders got involved in here. So where do they put their stops? Probably somewhere in here and somewhere in here, okay? So I was thinking like, okay, let's wait until the early birds got stopped out. Let's wait for that, because NFP is a whipsaw. Like, nearly every time the market is going up and down like crazy. So I was waiting for that first fake out move. I was waiting for people to get stopped out, and when I saw the market stopped everybody out from that day, and I saw on the smaller time frames, I saw like a break of structure. Let me show you. I mean, we took out the low in here, we stopped everybody out who got involved into buy positions in here, we stopped everybody out, and then the market made a beautiful break of structure in here, as you can see on the smaller time frame. And this is when I got involved. I gave it a little bit air to breathe, because it was around big figure number 15,300. I didn't want to put my stop too close. I gave it a little bit air to breathe down here at around, I think it was 278, somewhere in here. And I was just aiming for the highs in here. I just wanted to make a quick buck. And so I was pretty much taking profits just before that, to be sure. Like, I think I've closed. I had 75 lot running, and I closed out 70 lot. So I nearly took out everything. I took more than 90% off the table in here at around a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, something like that. Was something like a 1-to-1. Around a 1-to-1, and yeah, took my profit, let a little bit run for higher targets, but as you can see, the market was like, man, this is so typically for this news events, guys. I mean, we fake out some buys into the market, then we stop them all out. We trick sellers into the market, then we stop them all out. Then we trick buys in the market, and then we stop them all out. Like, this is what happens on most news events. It's just going up and down like ridiculously crazy, guys. That's why I recommend you guys to don't trade any high impact news event, because they just move so violently, guys. Be careful on that trades. I knew what I was risking, you know, and I was waiting for that fake out, then people getting stopped out, reversal. This is what I wanted to see. Took my shot, it worked out. I made some money this week to end up the week with like 1.6%, 16 grand. Was not a big of a deal this week, but I'm still happy that we ended up in profit, and I hope that some of you have banked profits as well. I mean, if you're in a free Telegram channel, you probably had the opportunity to take advantage of these trades, because I shared them on time. And if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to join it. If you need my help, you can drop me a private message. When I have time, I'm going to answer your chats. Have a lot of valuable knowledge to share with you. I've prepared a lot, so yeah, just drop me a message if you're ready for it, and then we're gonna take you to the top, man, to the top of the game. Yeah, that's it. Hope you had a beautiful time this week. I hope you're having a lovely weekend, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care. Peace. Yeah.